Okay, sorry, the video cut. I think this is the 25th. So let's do the same for the, as we copied and pasted this and then change this, we set it to false. Let's do the same for the add user, and then this one is false. Let's copy this, paste them here, and then we are good to go. So now let's start the application and see how it's looking. Okay, so let's click run, and then okay, so this is the main form, and then when we go to forgotten password, it takes us to the forgotten password form. Okay, and if we've written the code, we just click this, and then we send them an email or an SMS or whatever to that particular person's email, and then add new user to, it opens the add user form for us. And as I showed you here, this, we can select what we want. Okay, actually this one gives you an option to change it with the text, but that's not what I wanted, but we can change that later. And then this one to male and female, and then when we are done, we click and then we add a user. Okay, so let's go and change this and then a few things, and then okay, so let's close this. When we go here, let's change this to, so that the person can type inside that. We change it to, we go to drop down style to drop down, drop down list. For that one, you don't have the option to type inside, so change to that, and then that's it. And then we go to the password, and then we give the border for this table because we didn't do that, so we just do it like this, and then we are good to go. So let's run it once again so that we see how it's looking. Okay, so now when we go to forgotten password, this is it. Okay, it's looking nice. And then when we go to this, it's looking nice as well. Now we can type inside, so all we have to do is select. Okay, yes. So what we have to do here is we add some code to the forgotten password part, and then we add some code to the add new user, and then we will validate the login form, which is the main one. We will validate this login here, and then when the person logs in, and then their details match any user in the database, then it logs in and takes them to a dashboard where they can do whatever they want. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we are about I would say 25% into C# tutorials, and then yeah, so see you guys in the next one. Thank you.